So, hi, my dear young friends. How are you this Sunday morning? Good morning, good morning. How are you? I hope you had a good summer vacation और आप आज हमारे पास आए हैं मी एंड मैथ लाइव स्ट्रीम पर और कुछ कॉम्पिटिशनल स्किल्स के सम्स हम करेंगे आज। ठीक है ना? तो सबसे पहले बताइए मुझे कि आप मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करके आए हैं ना? यू आर फीलिंग एनर्जेटिक? आर यू फीलिंग एनर्जेटिक? Okay, come on. First of all of you, tell me your name. Tell me your name. Because I know you have logged in with your parents' accounts, so you can tell me your name. You can send a good morning message and just tell me your name. If you send me a good morning message along with your name, I'll know who am I, talking to, and then we can have this discussion, isn't it? So, Adarsh, good morning, Adarsh. Good morning, Renu. Good morning. Uh, so, shall we start? What do you say, Adarsh? What do you say, Renu? Shall we start? Or maybe we should. Trijal Sharma. Okay, Trijal. Welcome, welcome, Trijal. So, welcome to me in math. And this live stream is about to begin. I'm waiting for some more friends to join. Okay, okay. Anyways, let's start with a brain teaser. Let's start with a brain activity. Let's try to warm up our brains. तो हम क्या करेंगे? तो सबसे पहले मैं तो आपको एक रिडल बोलता हूँ. सिंपल सा रिडल आपसे पूछता हूँ. I will just say a sentence, or I'll just in front of you um, give you a puzzle in the form of a sentence, and you have to tell me the answer. All right? So, can you tell me what is that if you don't keep is broken? If you don't keep it with you, or if you don't keep it, it is broken. What is that? Come on. I'm looking at the chat. Come on, send me a few replies. Everybody, Adarsh, Renu, Trijal, I mean, what is something? Let me repeat myself. What is something which is, if it is not kept, is broken? Can you give me an answer? If you don't keep it, it gets broken. Very easy. Just, warm up your brain. Come on, come on. Any answer? Come on, Trijal. Come on, Adarsh. Oh no, not toys. You were close, but not toys, Trijal. Something else you can think about, which something which is not, if it is not kept, is broken. Anything else? Shall I tell the answer? Tell me, shall I tell the answer? Or if you, do you want to, warm up your brains more? Come on, Trijal. Can you tell me the answer? Come on, Adarsh. Come on. Anyways, then I'll tell you the answer. Something, if it is not kept and gets broken, is a promise, isn't it? It's a promise. If you don't keep a promise, it is broken, isn't it? No, not T. I already gave the answer. Promise. Region, it's promise, isn't it? So was it fun? Was it fun doing this brain activity? Are you all warmed up um, for the computational sums we are going to do in the next 45 minutes? Are you ready? Just give me a thumbs up if you are ready. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready. If you are ready to do the sums, give me a thumbs up. Come on, Trijal. Come on, Adarsh. Come on. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready. All right. So welcome to Me and Math live stream, and we are going to solve a few sums today. Okay. So you are going to tell me the answers, and we are going to then solve it together. If you get the answers right, or some of you might get the answer wrong, we'll discuss the how we arrived at the answer also, and we'll try to understand how much we know about these computational skills. All right. Okay, that is the first sum. Come on, Trijal, can you tell me? Come on, Adarsh, Trijal, can you tell me if two kites, so these are two kites, if two kites plus three ducklings is equal to 96, two kites plus three ducklings is equal to 96, and one duckling is equal to 12, then find the value of a kite plus a duckling. Come on, your brain is already warmed up. आपका brain warm up हो चुका है because of the riddle. So थोड़ा सा try कीजिए. कैसे करेंगे? Come on. Any answers? Come on. Do you have any answers? That two kites plus three ducklings is equal to 96, and one duckling is equal to 12. Then find the value of a kite plus a duckling. Can you do it? I'll give you 1 minute more. Can you? Others says 42. Let's see. Maybe we get any other answer. Maybe we get any other answer. Let's see if we get any other answer. Is it 42 or is it not? Reinu also means Trijal also says B. That is very good. That is very good. Great. So can we check the answer? If the answer is 42, then we'll discuss how we arrived at the answer. If it is B, okay, you are correct. You are correct. So 42 is indeed the answer. How did we arrive at 42? So let's imagine for those of you who couldn't understand what it was. So if uh, three ducklings plus two kites is equal to 96 and one duckling is equal to 12. So what I imagined in this, what you don't have to imagine is that one duckling, if it is equal to 12, you imagine a box of ducklings. Okay, imagine a box of ducklings, and then so in this box of ducklings, sorry, in this box of ducklings, what happens is, just a second. Yeah. So in this box of ducklings, if one duckling box has 12 ducklings in it, and so what will three duckling boxes be like? These three duckling boxes will be like 12 plus 12 plus 12. So these three duckling boxes will be equal to 36. But we have to imagine that what two kites plus three ducklings is equal to 96. So imagine two kite boxes also. So we understood, because it is given the problem that one duckling box is equal to 12. So what I'll do is that we know that three duckling boxes is equal to 36. 12 plus 12 plus 12, isn't it? So what do I add to 36 to make it 96? Come on. I can add a number to 36 to make it 96. So what I can add to 36 to make it 96? Obviously 60, isn't it? So because 60 plus 36, you can do your sum, that 60 plus 36 is equal to 60 plus 36 is equal to 96, isn't it? If 60 plus 36 is equal to 96, then what I have to understand is that 60 are now separated in two kite boxes. If 60 are uh, in two kite boxes, so how many in one kite box? Because these two kites are together. So one kite box has 30 kites. So we can say that the value of one kite is 30. But we have to find what? A kite plus a duckling. So the kite plus a duckling. If the kite is equal to 30 and the duckling is equal to 12, 30 plus 12 is equal to 42. Which was your answer? Perfectly correct. Should we move on to the next sum? Did you understand? Can you give me a thumbs up if you understood this problem? Can you give me a thumbs up if you understood this problem? Okay. Okay. So this is your next problem. All right. All right. So the second problem is we have to match column A with the correct answers in column B. Okay. What we have to do is we have to match the following question. You have understood, you must have seen in your classroom or when you are studying at home. So what happens is that we have to match the serial number, or this 1 or 2 or 3, with the correct answer in the column B. So like it is written here, 1 is Q. If the correct answer of 1 is Q, then we have to match it like that, and 2 is R, and we have to do like that. So my dear young friends, do you have any idea that 2 hundreds and 3 tens minus 4 tens and 6 ones is equal to what? 2 hundreds and 3 tens. So 2 hundreds are 2 hundreds and 3 tens are 30, isn't it? So 230, I'll give you, I'll solve one first of all, and then I'll just tell you to do the remaining yourself so that you can get a grip of the answer. So 2 hundreds and 3 tens is 2 hundreds is 200 and 3 tens are 30. 230 minus 4 tens and 6 ones is 46. Isn't 4 tens is 40, 6 ones is 6. So 40 plus 6 is 46. So 230 minus 46 is equal to, tell me, 230 minus 46 is equal to 184, of course. So 1 we can say is S. So if 1 is S, so there are two options. We can eliminate D and A right now. So there are two options. So my dear friends, can you tell me what is 389 minus 82 minus 45? Very easy. 389. Subtract 82 from that, and whatever you get from that, subtract 45 from that. Can you solve that? Uh-huh. Can you solve 382, 389, sorry, minus 82 first? Minus minus 82. 389 minus 82 is 9 minus 2 is 7. 8 minus 8 is 0 and 3. 307, isn't it? And if I subtract similarly, you tell me 307 minus 45 is in a similar fashion. Good morning, Rupa. Good morning, Rupa. You can also try. We are doing match the followings here. We are 1, 2, 3, 4. The questions are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to match with the correct option. The first we did, one is 184, so 1 is S. The second one, 389 minus 82, I did for you 307. So can you tell me what is 307 minus 45? 307 minus 45. Adarsh, A, but we already eliminated A, no? Adarsh, A is not the correct answer. So 307 minus 45 is, can you first give me the answer of 307 minus 45? Come on. 307 minus 245. Sorry, 307 minus 45 because I already did 389 minus 82. Of course, it's B. It's 262. See, when I subtract 45 out of this 307, I'll get 262. Well done, Adarsh. So you arrived at the answer B. Okay. So let us check if B is the correct answer. Let us rub this. And let's see if this is the correct answer. It is, of course, it is correct. Well done, Adarsh. Rupa, you can go on with the next question. Okay, you are Ahriya Raul. That is great. That is great. Nice to meet you, Ahriya Raul. How are you doing this morning? You tell me, and let us do this another question. So the next question is that Payal scored 54 points in a quiz. Okay, Raj scored 14 points more than Payal. If Payal scored 54 points in a quiz, so the question is that Payal scored 54 and Raj scored how many? 14 points more than Ryle. More than Payal? So what is 54 plus 14? 54 plus 14 is 68, isn't it? Tell me now the question answer of the question. If Payal scored 54 points and Raj scored 14 points more than Payal, so Raj scored how many? 68. The total points scored by Raj and Payal together are. Now you give me the answer. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. You tell me the answer. 54 plus 14 is equal to 68. So Raj, because in the question it is given that Raj scored 14 points more than Payal. You tell me, area Rahul. You tell me. Adarsh, area Rahul, Trijal, anybody? Adarsh, see, Adarsh is on a roll. Adarsh is getting every answer correct. I think, because I think 68 plus 54 is 122. Do you agree, Ahria? Do you agree that 122 is the right answer? Do you think it will be the right answer? Or do you think it is B? Or do you think it is D? 307. 307 is Ahria was in the earlier question. I'm speaking about this question. Come on. If Payal scored 54 points in the quiz, Raj scored 14 points more than Payal. The total points scored by Raj and Payal together are. Because we have to find the total points scored by Raj and Payal together. So we have to first find out how many points did Raj get. Because Raj got 14 points more than Payal, then Raj got 68 points. We just showed that. And Payal, it is given in the question, she got 54 points. So the total points got by Raj and Payal together are. Let me check if Adarsh is correct. Let me erase this first. So C is of course correct. So Adarsh is right. This is the correct answer. Moving on to the next slide and the next question. Well done, Adarsh. So what is the next question which we can try? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Ahriya, Adarsh, Trijal, we can solve this question by in a very easy manner if we just concentrate on the question. हमको question पढ़ना है और उसके important चीजें note down करनी है और आप उसको फिर solve कर पाएंगे बड़ी easily if you concentrate a bit more. Karan had some chocolates. This question says he gave 43 chocolates to his wife. Okay. Karan has had some chocolates. He gave 43 chocolates to his wife and was left with how many? 28 chocolates. How many chocolates did Karan have in the beginning? Very easy question. So, if Karan had some chocolates, he gave 43 to the wife and was left with 28 chocolates. How many chocolates did Karan have in the beginning? Can anybody tell me? Very easy question. If you have like a certain number of chocolates and you give me 43 chocolates, so you are left with some chocolates, okay, and those chocolates in the question are 28. How many chocolates did Karan have in the beginning? Adarsh is saying 71. And what are the others saying? Any answer? Any other answer? What are others saying? How will you find? Imagine if you had 43 chocolates. Okay. Sorry, if you had a certain number of chocolates and you gave 43 chocolates to me. Okay. And you were left with 28 chocolates. Imagine like that. Obviously, you'll add to your 28 chocolates the 43 chocolates you gave to me. So if you add those two up, how much does that amount to? So 43 plus how many? 28. 43 plus 28 is 8 plus 3 is 11 and 4 plus 2 is 6 and 7. So it will amount to how many? How many? Arya is saying 78. Adarsh is saying C 71. So 71 is the correct answer. Well tried, Arya, but Adarsh has given the right answer, I think. Let's see. Let me see this. So if I, so C is the correct answer. Of course, Adarsh is correct. Good. Okay. This is the correct answer. Yes, area C is the correct answer. Good. Moving on to the next question. So in this question, Vijay has 205 seats and Anya has 148 seats. How many more seats Vijay has than Anya? So Vijay has 205 seats. Anya has 148 seats. So Anya has a little lesser seats. How many more seats that does Vijay have than Anya? So how many more seats? Because Anya has lesser, 148 is less than 205. We have to see how many more does Vijay have. Can you think about this question? Come on, Arya. Come on, Adarsh. Come on, Trijal. Arya says D, 57. 57. Okay, cool. And what does Adarsh say? Adarsh says D, 57 also. So you are unanimous that it is 57. And how would we find how what is the correct answer in this? Let us try. So if you have to find how many more seeds Vijay has than Anya, you'll simply subtract 148 out of 205 minus how many? 1, 4, 8. And that will be your answer. So that will be 7 and 5, isn't it? You must have, because I carried it. So 57 is the right answer. So when you subtracted 205 minus 148, you got 57. So you were also saying 57 should be the answer. I also think 57 should be the answer. Let's see if we are correct. Let's see if we are correct. So I click D, and of course 57 is the correct answer. Well, well done, Sindhu. Hello, Sindhu. Good morning. How are you this morning? So Sindhu is here, Arya is here, Adarsh is here, Trijal is here. So Sindhu also came and gave the right answer. Arya also gave the right answer. Adarsh also gave the right answer. Well done. Well done. That was a question you all of you got correct and you understood the concept, I think. So if you're enjoying, can you all give me a thumbs up? Are you enjoying the questions? Okay. Are you able to understand and are you able to hear me properly and look at the slides properly? Give me a thumbs up before moving on to the next question. Hope you are able to understand what we are discussing here. All right. So moving on to the next question. It is similar to the duckling question we had in the beginning. Okay, so I won't be giving too many hints this time. So one star plus two orange balls is equal to 42. And one orange ball is equal to 12. Then what is the value of one star? Okay, then what is the value of one star in this question? It is similar to the duckling question, duckling plus kite question, which was our first question. Can you tell me one star plus two orange balls is equal to 42 and one orange ball is 12? So one orange ball is 12, two orange balls will be equal to 24, isn't it? So tell me what is the value of a star. Come on, others. Come on, Arya. Come on, Sindhu. What should I'll give you the hint then anyways. Let me give you one hint. What should we add to 24 to make it 42? What should we add to 24 to make it 42? Come on, think about it. Because one orange ball is equal to 12, two orange balls, if we add them together, they will be 24. So if two orange balls are 24, what will be added to 24 to make it 42? Anyone? Come on, very easy. You can give the answer. Come on, Arya. Come on, Sindhu. It's quite easy. Come on, Adarsh. Come on, Arya. Come on, Sindhu. Come on, I'll be waiting. It's very easy because what should be added to 24 to make it 42? No, what should be added to 24 to make it for Sindhu? You have to give the answer to what should be added to 24 to make it 42 because one orange ball is 12 and two orange ball makes 24. So what is the value of the star? The value of the star can be found out by imagining what is added to 24 to make it 42, or you subtract that 24 from 42. Whatever is left will be the value of the star, isn't it? Because we are adding 24 to a star to make it 42. So how will we find the value of a star? You will subtract that 24 or these two orange balls from 42 to get the value of a star. So what is 42 minus 24? You tell me. Sindhu says 18. Arya says D, 18. Other says D, 18. So I have to check 18. I didn't give too many hints this time. Let us see. And D is the correct answer. Well done. Thumbs up. Thumbs up from me for all of you. Well done. That was good. Moving on. Well done, Sindhu. Well done, Arya. Well done, Adarsh. So the next question. Mrs. Sharma made 74 pancakes. Her children, Shreya and Aman, ate 8 pancakes each. How many pancakes are left with Mrs. Sharma? So Mrs. Sharma is the mother. Her children, Shreya and Aman, ate 8 pancakes each. Okay, so each. So both of them have eaten 8 pancakes, isn't it? So if both of them eat 8 pancakes, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to, you tell me, 16. Okay. So if because in the question it is written they eat 8 each. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And how many pancakes will be left? If 16 pancakes, like we understood, are eaten by Shreya and Aman, you tell me. Adarsh is saying 58 pancakes will be left. Does Arya and Sindhu say the same thing? So how will you find out? We will, after finding 16 is a number of pancakes which got eaten, we will subtract this 16 from 74. Isn't it 74 minus 60? Sindhu also says it. 74 minus 16 is 50. Sorry, 58. Okay, it is equal to 50. Okay, so I think you guys are correct. Let us see if we are correct. We all got the same answer. So it is indeed the correct answer. Sindhu, Adarsh, Arya, well done. So it was the correct answer that A 58 is the right answer in this regard. Well done. So similar question. A shop has 432 printers. If 98 printers are sold, then how many printers are left? You tell me. Now it is the simplest question. If 432 printers are in a shop and 98 printers are sold, so 98 printers आपने बेच दिए अगर एक शॉप में 432 printers थे, बचे कितने? बहुत ही सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम है, आप मुझे आंसर बता दीजिए। 432 में से अगर 98 प्रिंटर्स गए तो बचे कितने? तो सब्ट्रैक्शन प्रॉब्लम है जब बचने की बात आती है। हाँ जी माय डियर यंग फ्रेंड्स, 432 में से 98 printers, if they are gone, how many printers are left? You tell me, Adarsh. Adarsh says C. Arya says C. Anybody else? Sindhu, what is the answer? What do you think? So we simply have to subtract 98 from 432 in this question, isn't it? Tell me. Sindhu also says C. Well done. I think it is the correct answer because 432 minus 98 will be 334. Isn't it? All right. Let me check. Yes, indeed, it is the correct answer. So Sindhu, Adarsh, Rupa, or Arya, thumbs up from me. Thumbs up to all of you. Well done. So the next question. A similar question is next. So Arun has a box of marbles. Okay, so there's a box of marbles. He gave 18 marbles to his sister, 15 marbles to his mother, and 21 marbles were left with him. How many marbles did Arun have at the beginning? It is again similar to the earlier problem in which we are trying to find how many were in the beginning. So imagine there were certain marbles with Arun. So he gave 18 to his sister. So some were left, but it was lesser number now. Then he gave 15 marbles to his mother. Okay. Somewhere left in the question is saying that 21 marbles were left when Arun gave 18 marbles to his sister and 15 marbles to his mother. So how many marbles did Arun have in the beginning? Come on, Adarsh, come on, Rupa, can you give me the answer? Come on, Adarsh, come on, Rupa. Adarsh is saying D. All right. So 21 marbles were left with him, and he had given how many to his sister? 18. So in order to find how many were in total, we'll add 18 to it. Plus how many he had given to his mother? 15. So the total number of marbles should be the sum of these three values. 21 plus 18 plus 15. So 21 plus 18 plus 15. Solve it for me. Come on. 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18 plus 15. Very easy. Can you do it? 21, 18. Sorry. 21 plus 18. So 21 plus 18 is 39, isn't it? 1 plus 8 is 9 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is equal to 39. 39 plus 15. Similarly, you can do. And what will be the answer? Sindhu is saying 54. Others is saying 54D. Good. So because 39 plus 15 will be 54. So let us see if D54 is the correct answer. Rupa, you're sending a lot of emojis. Great, but I need the answer also. Arya, I mean. So if I say D, it is the correct answer. Well done, guys. Whoever gave the right answer. Great. Moving on. In the next slide, it is a similar question to the earlier question that Payal scored 54 points and Raj scored 14 points more than Payal. The total points scored by Raj and Payal together are, we just did this question, 54 and 54. If Raj scored 14 points more than Payal, so that is 68. 68 plus 54 is C, 122. You did this question, isn't it? So well done. We did the current question, we did the Anya question, we did the star question, we did the pancake question, the printer question, marble question. Yeah, this is the next question. Yes, Adarsh, C was the answer. So tell me the difference between the smallest three-digit number and the greatest two-digit number. Okay, the smallest three-digit number will be which number? The smallest three-digit number will be which comes first when you count. So the smallest two-digit number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 is a single digit number. So the smallest three-digit number and the greatest two-digit number here. Sorry. So the in the counting, when we have to find the smallest three-digit number, we have to find the first three-digit number which comes while you count. So 97, 98, 99, 100. 100 is your smallest three-digit number. And what is your greatest two-digit number? The greatest two-digit number is what is before that, because the last two-digit number is 99. So the difference is, Adarsh is saying A. The smallest three-digit number is 100, as I told you, because when you count, the the smallest three-digit number is the first three-digit number when you count. So the first three-digit number when you count is 100. And what is the greatest two-digit number? It is the last one which comes when you count. So it is 99. So 100 minus 99 will be equal to, Sindhu says A1, others says 1. So 100 minus 99 is 1 indeed. So if I click on A1, that is your correct. So Sindhu and others, both of you are correct. Well done. Area, you also try your hand at the questions. You also try your hands at the questions. So A is correct. Now moving on to the next one. 68 more than 284 is. So 68 more than 284 is. We have to find first the answer to it. 284 plus 68 is. Can anybody tell me? Because 68 more than 284 is when you simply give me the answer. Then we'll break it down into how many hundreds and how many ones. Give me the answer. 284 plus 68. What is 284 plus 68 equal? Do this sum quickly. Come on. Come on, Arya. I'm waiting for you also. Sindhu, Adarsh. Arya is saying 352 ones. One. Okay. But tell me what is the answer to 284 plus 68 first. Then we'll break down. I think you are correct, Arya. I think you are correct. But you have to tell me the answer first. Okay, Sindhu? A. You're saying A. Arya is saying A. But how did you arrive at the answer? I'm asking 284 plus 68 is. Can you give me the number first? Adarsh is saying C, 352 tens. But 52 tens others itself, that is equal to 520. If you remember correctly, when we turn tens and ones, area and Sindhu, can you tell me that if 284 plus 68 is equal to what? I think it is equal to 352, isn't it? If it is equal to 352, then break down 352 into hundreds and ones or hundreds and tens. So I think the correct answer should be 300s, which is 300, plus 52 ones, that is 352. No, area B is not. I don't think 402 ones will be the answer because it is 284 plus 68 is 352. So 400s can't be there. Give it a thought. Because 284 plus 68 is 352. So 352. Sindhu says 352, correct? So 352, when you break down into hundreds and ones, it is equal to 352 ones, as per me. What do you think? Others is saying C, Arya is saying B, but Sindhu, I think, is saying 352. But what is the answer, Sindhu, then? Is it A or C? Tell me. Then I'll click on the answer. Sindhu is saying C, but I'm saying A. Let's check which is the answer. Let us see if it is C. Oh, C is wrong. So which is the right answer? So others is saying A. A is the right answer, correct. Because 352 ones is equal to 352. So you guys were correct in the end. No, A. Sindhu A was the correct answer. All right, that is great. Moving on to the next one. It is another match the following question. Okay, so in the next match the following question, can you tell me what 25 tens plus 81s are? First, let's match P with the correct answer. 25 tens plus 81s. 25 tens is 250, isn't it? And 81s is 80. So 250 plus 80 is, because 25 tens, 25 tens, 25 tens is, you have a box which has 10 things in it, and if you have 25 of those boxes, then how many things you have? So you have 250 things, isn't it? 25 tens is 250 plus 81s is 3, 81s is 80, so 250 plus 80 is 330, isn't it? So P, I'll join to what? 3. So P I can join to 3. Which is the option here which in which P is joined to 3? It is a C option. So I think this option should be correct because other options don't have the same answer. Yeah, other C. But let's solve the other ones also. So 5 tens less than 92 ones are. So 92 ones. Ninety-two ones. You tell me, Adarsh. 92 ones minus 5 tens, because 5 tens less than 92 ones is, so 92, 92 ones are 92 minus how many? 5 tens. 5 tens is 50, isn't it? So 92 minus 50 is equal to, you tell me. Of course, it's equal to 42, isn't it? Good. So if it is equal to 42, 92 minus 50, so Q can be matched to 4 and P can be matched to 3. So similarly, 827 is written in written form. So R can be matched to 2 and S is the only option remaining. So 21 plus 318 is 339 if you add it. So 21 plus 318, it is written in the written form. Sindhu is saying 42, 5 tens less than 92 ones, correct? So these are your four um, correctly matched options. And which is that option? That is C, as Sindhu and Adarsh, I think, correctly pointed. Arya is saying A, but I don't think A is the correct answer because we matched all the four, and the answer I think is C. Let us check. Let us check. Oh, yes, C is the correct answer. Well done. So, guys, you have done a few computational problems today, and you have done many of them correctly. And so it was great doing these problems with you in the morning. Arya, Trijal, and Adarsh, as Sin and Sindhu, all of you. Thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you go back and watch this video again and see where you can improve in the problems and where you can add and subtract correctly and where you can understand the question properly. So it was great mm, spending this Sunday morning with you guys. You were very proactive in giving me the answers. I enjoyed a lot. Okay. So thank you very much from me and Matt. Thank you. See you.